Sometimes one small habit changes everything. Not overnight, but slowly, quietly, like the sunrise after a long night. Today, let's learn one powerful habit that can improve your English and your life. Meet Ayaan, a normal student, shy to speak English. Every time he tried, his words got stuck halfway. He felt others were born confident, and he wasn't. One day, his teacher said something simple. Don't aim to speak perfect English. Just speak one sentence every day. Ayaan thought, one sentence? That's it? Yes, one sentence, every single day. The next morning, he stood in front of the mirror and said, I will not give up. It was short, imperfect, but it was his first step. Days passed. He spoke one sentence every day, then two, then five. Sometimes wrong, sometimes right, but always trying. One day, Ayaan realized something. He wasn't afraid anymore. He started enjoying English, not as a subject, but as a way to express himself. The habit of speaking one sentence daily changed him. Not just his English, but his confidence, his mindset, his life. And that's the truth about habits. You don't grow all at once. You grow word by word, day by day. Here's how you can start today. Number 1, pick one English sentence you'll say every morning. Number 2, use simple words from your own life. Number 3, repeat it with emotion, not fear, because emotion makes memory stronger. Now think, what's one small habit you can begin today? It might be reading one page, writing one line, or listening to one English story. Whatever it is, start small, but stay consistent. One good habit can change everything. For Ayaan, it was speaking one English sentence daily. For you, it could be this video, the first step of your journey. If this story inspired you, repeat after me. I will grow one word at a time. And yes, your story begins today.
And if you want more real talk, more English practice, more motivation, subscribe now. Because we are not here just to teach you English. We are here to help you change your life.